Sure, got a big eBay package, just the speakers this time, so I'm gonna unbox them. I already got my shipping label off, so you won't see my fucking address. A mess. Oh my fucking god. Hope this is good quality. Looks pretty cheap. It's an audio source. Says power capacity 40 watts. I hope this is 40 watts. I mean, it's 20 watts RMS though. Should probably say my ELAC speakers are 60 watts or something. Well, I'm probably guessing this is RMS. They wouldn't probably lie on if they're stating that. So I think my speaker's 120 watts per channel. This is like 40. So here's a Logitech speaker. They're pretty good. They're not bad. They're overstated, but they're not bad. They sound good. They're not like 500 watts RMS for the Z5500, but it will shake the house, even though it's not that powerful. And it's very good quality speakers though for the price. Wish they still made them. Better than most soundbars, actually. My video is good though. No doubt about that. Soundbars are expensive. Here are more Logitech speakers. Look a little cheap, but they're pretty good though. Here's a Samsung speaker. I think they're typically good. Just a little home theater in the box type speakers. I'm gonna take this apart because I only have one of these. I don't have a pair. Styrofoam mess. I think this was unnecessary though. Here's a cheap ass bookshelf speaker. This is gonna be blown up. Look, it's a fucking stupid cord. No stereo uses like this. Yeah, this is very cheap. No good stereo uses RCA. That's cheap ass. Here's some Bluetooth speakers. I mean, it's just one Bluetooth speaker. It looks cheap.
Bluetooth mode.
Oh my god, that is fucking cheap. Oh my god. And it sounds terrible, it rattles. Hear that.
Bluetooth mode.
That is unusual. This is gonna be broken too. Yeah, I had this before, and it's a cheap ass speaker. I hate it. I smashed one of these before. Actually, a pair. It's also falling apart. It's so cheaply made. I don't think there's anything else in the box. Yep, that's it. This is blown up. This is good stuff, I said. Inside here. Thanks for watching.